In other updates coming in, this is another fresh twist of events in the Maharashtra government versus actor Kangana Ranaut. The Home Ministry has now approved Y-level security for the actor. Now remember, this entire controversy erupted after Kangana's comment on Mumbai, comparing Mumbai to POK, after which the Maharashtra Home Minister and the Shiv Sena leader, in fact Sanjay Raut, lashed out at the actor. Kangana, in fact, also put out a tweet and she thanked the Home Minister for the Y-level security.
The MHA has gone ahead and approved a Y+ security cover for actor Kangana Ranaut, and this is happening in the backdrop of heightened tempers and exchange of words between Maharashtra government and also Kangana Ranaut. Viewers will recall it was only yesterday Kangana's father had made an appeal to the Himachal government. Subsequent to that, the Himachal government had also heightened security for Kangana. But this is a whole level different assessment which has been done at the highest level by the union government, sources have indicated. And it's been decided upon review that there does exist a renewed threat percept for Kangana, basis which the CRPF Y+ security cover has been given to her, which will now protect her 24/7, and she will be protected by a security protection officer and also 11 armed police personnel.
Meanwhile, Kangana Ranaut has now levelled a new charge at the Maharashtra government. She now claims that the Mumbai civic body officials, in fact, have forcefully taken over her office, which allegedly will be demolished tomorrow. And she also claims that her neighbours are, in fact, being harassed. Meanwhile, there have been several reactions coming in regarding this entire controversy. Congress spokesperson Randeep Surjewala reacted to the centre providing the security cover to Kangana Ranaut. He said that while he disagreed with Kangana's comments on Mumbai, he also said that he backed the principle of dissent.
Unlike Modi ji and Bharatiya Janata Party, I will defend the right of dissent of the biggest critique of mine. That is the principle of the Congress party. That is the principle of the alliance in Maharashtra, the Congress, the Shiv Sena and the NCP. And in that light, despite a particular film actress carrying on the agenda of Modi ji and BJP, we will ensure adequate protection for her. However, to describe the business capital of the country as Pakistan occupied Kashmir is naive, incorrect, political opportunism and reprehensible. We reject such unfounded and politically motivated allegations being hurled through film actresses by Bharatiya Janata Party.
Meanwhile, Shiv Sena MP Sanjay Raut has also slammed Kangana once again on social media. While raking up Balasaheb's memory, he vowed to fight for women's pride and claimed that those making allegations against him were in fact the ones who have insulted Mumbai and the local deity of the city, Mumbadevi. The statement, remember, comes in the backdrop of the face-off and the slugfest between Sanjay Raut and Kangana Ranaut over the actor comparing Mumbai to Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. In fact, over this entire controversy, there have been several leaders who have now reacted to this row. Remember, this coming at a time where we're looking at a lot of reactions coming in. Let's listen into some of the reactions that are coming in, with several Maharashtra leaders reacting to the comment made by Kangana Ranaut.
उसने महाराष्ट्र में रह के रोजी रोटी कमाते हैं लोग, अपना स्टेट छोड़कर के करोड़ों लोग महाराष्ट्र में आए हैं। उसको महाराष्ट्र को कहती है मिनी पाकिस्तान। वो महाराष्ट्र की पुलिस को गाली दे रही है महाराष्ट्र की, और यहाँ तक कि वो आरएसएस की ज़बान बोल रही है। वो कह रही है कि मैंने इस्लामिक, यानी जो ये फिल्म लाइन में भी इस्लामिक ला रही है। अगर कोई मुस्लिम माइनॉरिटी का कोई आदमी उसमें एक्टर है या कुछ कर रहा है, आगे बढ़ रहा है, तो इसको इस्लामिक के अंदर कह के मैंने अपनी जान जोखिम में डालकर काम किया है। ये चीज़ें ऐसी और ऐसे को बिल्कुल सिक्योरिटी नहीं देना चाहिए। महाराष्ट्र निकाल देना चाहिए ऐसे लोगों को जो महाराष्ट्र का अपमान करते हैं।
महाराष्ट्र हमारी माँ है, हमारी जननी है। इस महाराष्ट्र के निर्मित के लिए 1960 में हमारे 106 जो हमारे वीर थे, उन्होंने अपनी जानों की परवाह नहीं करते हुए ये मुंबई हमको दी है। उस मुंबई के खिलाफ या महाराष्ट्र के खिलाफ अगर कोई भी बोलेगा, वो कंगना हो या कोई भी हो, उसके खिलाफ शिवसेना आवाज उठाएगी। हमारे पूर्वजों ने बहुत प्रयास करके इस महाराष्ट्र के साथ मुंबई को जुड़ा है और इस मुंबई के लिए हम भले कुछ भी होने दो, कोई भी अगर मुंबई के खिलाफ बोलेगा तो हम उसके खिलाफ जरूर बोलेंगे।
Meanwhile, the Himachal government has also now waded into the controversy and has now decided to provide a security cover to Kangana's residence in Manali. In fact, the Chief Minister has also directed senior cops in the state to assess the level of threat to Kangana Ranaut.
कंगना रनौत हिमाचल से संबंधित हैं और बॉलीवुड में उनने हिमाचल का नाम और पूरे देश का नाम रोशन किया है। उनकी सुरक्षा हमारे लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। उस दृष्टि से डीजीपी को हमने आदेश दिए कि वो उनकी सिक्योरिटी थ्रेट की असेसमेंट करें और उसके पश्चात हमने एक निर्णय लिया कि उनके निवास मनाली में हिमाचल प्रदेश पुलिस की ओर से सुरक्षा मुहैया करवाई जाएगी और आवश्यक होगा तो जो प्रवास उनका होगा, जो टूर होगा, उसमें भी हिमाचल प्रदेश अपनी सुरक्षा देने के लिए तैयार है।
With that, we are slipping to a very short break. Back in just a bit.